Hello everyone, hello guys. Today there are two kids and as example I want to speak about them. अभी यहाँ पर दो बकरी के बच्चे हैं और बड़ा खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. मैं सोचा कि इन पर इंग्लिश में एक वीडियो बनाया जाए और देखिए they are grazing and I think that it is a very beautiful kid and its body is very lovely and I want to speak some body parts. It has 2 ears, it has 4 legs and it has a tail and its color is white, but it has something light black also. It has 2 eyes and it has a very lovely mouth and they are grazing a flower plants. So I think that in this way we can take some examples of cows, fallows, hen or any kinds of things and we can speak English and there are some children and I want to speak about them also. He is like a joker, he is very shy boy and he is laughing. He is my nephew. He is my nephew and I can say that he has a t-shirt and he has a jeans pant. In this way we can take some boys in front of camera, in front of people and we can speak about them. He reads in 3 class or 4 class.
4 class.
He reads in 4 class and he is also good student and his school is also very fine. There are 2 girls and she is my elder daughter and she is a simple girl and she is a younger girl and she is also something joker and she has a white dress and I think that she is a simple girl, but she does not go to school daily and she does not go to coaching also daily. So she is something nutty and please look at the 2 kids, they are also very nutty and they are running here and there and at once I want to hold for some times. It is also very beautiful and it is thinking about me that why have I hold it and there is also, it is also very beautiful. I think that both are sisters, they are very beautiful and they are running here and there and I am playing with both kids. I think that it is very beautiful. I think that they are searching where is grass and where is its food. So I think that in this way we can take some examples and we can speak English. Thank you very much. We can see in next video.